Good morning, students. Now, in this class, we discuss about the chapter number 3, interior of the earth. Interior of the earth. In previous classes, we studied about the origin of earth, origin of universe, origin of galaxies, origin of stars, and in lesson number 1, we discuss about the geography as a subject. Now, here lesson number 3, interior of the earth. Interior of the earth. In this lesson, we will study about the what is earth here and the what found in the inner part of the earth, what is interior of the earth, and the what the source about then what the source about no internal part of the earth. And we will also discuss about the earthquake. Now here the topic interior of the earth. The earth's radius 6,370 kilometer. The earth shape is like a sphere, but not correct here. The earth shape is geode. The earth shape is geode, but कैसा? The like a sphere. ठीक है? And this circle is radius. The circle radius is 6,370 kilometer. 70 kilometer. The inner part of the earth core. Then here the crust here, the upper part of the earth, and from the upper part of the earth in inner part here the different depth is 6,370 kilometer. If we want about the know interior of the earth, when we have a way, this way is we want to go in the depth, we want to go into the depth. हम क्या जाना चाहते हैं? गहराई में जाना चाहते हैं, डेप्थ में जाना चाहते हैं. वहां से then we will want go into the depth and some material यहाँ से क्या लाएंगे? बाहर लाएंगे. Then discuss about this material in what is the elements in this matter and what is the metals in this matter. But it is not possible. It is not possible. The human tried to drill in the earth here in internal part of the earth, but he not success. The human is not success. Only human success approx 12 kilometer internal part of the अर्थ. यानी ह्यूमन ने जो एफर्ट्स किए हैं ड्रिल करने के, उसमें मैक्सिमम ड्रिल कितना किया? ओनली द 12 किलोमीटर. ह्यूमन want to know about the internal part of that. So here the many sources to know what is in internal part of the earth. These sources can be divided into parts here. The source of information about the interior. Here the direct sources and the indirect sources. So first of all here the direct sources. In direct sources, we discuss firstly about the mining. The mining is a mining is a mining is a terrestrial manner or factor to know about the internal part of the earth, but the mining is not possible easily. Only human try to mine, try to drill. Only human reach 12 kilometer in inner part of the earth. This place is Kola in Arctic Ocean. This place is Kola in Arctic Ocean, only 12 kilometer. In also South Africa, for the gold mine, human drill here that approx 4 kilometer, and the Kimberley and the many other part of the earth, human try to drill, and the maximum drill on the crust only 12 kilometer at Kola in Arctic Ocean. Clear? And for mining here the many projects launched, and the main two projects to drilling here, deep ocean drilling project and integrated ocean drilling project. The both projects are related to source of information about the interior. ये जो projects के only this project for information about the interior. Here the mining work, drilling work, and the aim of this drilling is know about the what is in inner part of the earth. Inner part of the earth. Two project here: deep ocean drilling project and integrated ocean drilling project. And human reach only 12 kilometer in inner part of the earth, and human know about the what is in the what is in the inner part of earth. Clear? And next here the second other direct source to about know about the information about the interior: volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption is also a source to know about the internal part of the earth. Volcanic eruption, considered this is crust, this part is crust, and in inner part here the gases, liquid and the solid part also, and this is called the magma. This is called the magma. And then here the process, the magma come out from the earth surface. The magma come out from the earth surface, and this is called lava. The magma come out from the earth surface, and this is called lava. The magma come out from the earth surface, and this is called the lava, and whole process is called the volcanic eruption. This process is called the volcanic eruption. Then here the inner part of magma come out on the earth surface. Then here the material for the study about the inner part of the earth, and we can study about the what is in the inner part of the earth, and the what matter in the inner part of the earth, and the what is volume of the matter in inner part of the earth when the magma come out on the earth surface in form of lava. That is called the volcanic eruption, and volcanic eruption is directly help to know about the interior part of the earth. Clear? जब क्या हो रहा है, मैग्मा बाहर आ रहा है, ठीक है, इन फॉर्म ऑफ लावा, हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है, मैटर अंदर से बाहर आ गया ना, ठीक, इनर पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ से, फिर लेबोरेटरी में इसके बारे में स्टडी करते हैं, एंड देन व्हाट हियर द रिजल्ट अबाउट द what is in inner part of the earth. And volcanic eruption and the mining is directly help. Volcanic eruption and mining is the help about help to information about the interior या internal part of the earth. Clear? Next year indirect sources. So all these sources here the human is not possible to go into the inner part of the earth after the 12 kilometer. And what here the process, what the sources know about the inner part of the earth, we want to know about inner part of the earth. Then here the volcanic eruption help him. But what here the volcanic eruption, what here the length या what is the depth of the volcanic eruption, यानी मैग्मा कितनी डेप्थ से बाहर है इसका हमें पता नहीं लग पा रहा है. We want to know about the in inner part of the 100 kilometer what is here the matter, and the 200 kilometer depth what is matter here. But then magma come out on the surface, then we not considered, we not guess that what the depth of this lava, this matter. Clear? And then we geographer say about the indirect sources also help to know about the interior. ठीक है, interior या inner part of the earth. Then here the temperature, pressure, and density increase in the depth. Then we go from the upper part to crust to in the depth. Then this we have the upper part of the earth, and when we go in inner part of the earth, then here temperature also increase, pressure also increase, and density also increase. All these are increased. All these are temperature increase, pressure increase, and density. All these here all these features are increased. Then we go from upper part to inner part या crust to core part. ठीक है, ऊपर से जब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, डेप्थ में जा रहे हैं, then here the pressure, temperature and density also increase. And the scientists and geographer guess about the what is here the matter in the inner part of the earth. Then here gravitational force, magnetic field, seismic activities also help to know about the interior या inner part of the earth, here the different volume or different mass volume found in the inner part of the earth, and here the different, what is here the gravity anomaly. Gravity anomaly, here the different type of, when we study about the differentiation. What is differentiation? Here the heavy density material, in the heavy density material go in the inner part, and the लाइटर डेंसिटी मटेरियल अपर पार्ट, ठीक है, लाइटर डेंसिटी वाला अपर पार्ट क्रस्ट में, एंड द हैवी डेंसिटी मटेरियल इन द core part. Then here different mass, different volume, and the different gravity anomaly found here, and according to latitude also here the different gravitational force found, and the greater near the poles, the gravitational force is greater near the poles and the less near the equator. So here what these are the help him about the interior, here gravitational, different gravity anomaly, and here the magnetic field and the seismic activities, different type of the seismic activity also help to know about the information of interior. We will discuss about the seismic activities in next lecture, ठीक है. And meteors also, the meteors, the breaking stars also we can say, जब तारा टूटता है हम बोलते हैं ना, what is here the meteors, the astronomical bodies, ये क्या कर रही हैं, जब ऊपर से है ना स्पेस से आ रही है, then here the gravity force of the earth is destroy them, the gravity force of the earth is destroy them, but if they have the more power, then the some part of the material come on the surface पे क्या हो रहा है ना, इसका मटेरियल का पार्ट आ रहा है, then the scientists study about the material, and what is in materials here the different type of the matter found, different type of density and the temperature matter found in the material, and the scientists hope that these material ठीक है, ये जो मटेरियल हैं उल्काएं हैं, have the matter, these matter also found in the interior part of the earth, यानी कि जो इनमें matter है, these matter also found in the internal part of the earth. Clear? So all these here the part about the interior of the earth. If you understand it is okay, then you don't understand about this topic interior of the earth, I send you the link of Hindi medium, then you see this link also and this video also, then I hope you can understand about this topic interior of the earth, या source of information about the interior. And in next lecture we discuss about the seismic activities.